So here we have this object. We have this L-shaped object. It's kind of a rectangular prism. And we have, in this case, I'm going to label this my front view. We're going to consider that our front. And this is going to be our right side. We're going to have a left side, and we're going to have a top view here. So when we draw these views, it's good to, when the grid's given in this orientation, you should try to line up the edges when we draw this. So I'm going to draw the front view first. So looking at the front view, I'm going to count 1, 2 dots to the right. Okay, one is going to come in, cut in 1 to from there, and 1, 2, 3 high. Okay, so I'm going to draw this across 3 high. Okay, so it's going to look like that. There's my front view. So that's what the shaded view is going to look like. From the left side, okay, so if I'm looking at it from, maybe I'll color code this. If I'm looking at it from that direction, I'm going to have 2 wide. Okay, so that's going to be the top edge, and then I'm going to have 2 high here. That's going to match up with here. Notice I've lined up the edges here. And then from the top view, do that in black. From the top view, okay, it's just going to be a 2 by 2 block. So I'm going to just look from the top. It's going to look like that from the top. Okay. This object is slightly more complex. Okay, so we're going to maybe label this the front view here. Okay, so that's going to be our front. So we'll start off with that. So our front view looks like it's going to be 2 across, okay, 1, 2 high, and then we got this piece sticking off on the side. So I'm going to draw it like this. So this is going to show the front 2 pieces here, here, and here. Okay, and then we have the 1 block drawn off to the side. Okay, so that's going to be our front view. Notice I'm just drawing the surfaces that I'm going to see. From the the left side, that's my left side view. Okay, so this is going to be my left side view here. These are the surfaces I'm going to see from my left side. So from the left side, it's going to look like this. So I'm going to have my 2 square pieces there, and then that surface in here, that surface there matches that surface there. So that's going to be my left side view. And again, see how my edges are going to line up. So this is going to be my left side view. And then in red, I'll do from the top. Okay, the top view. From the top, we're going to see that 1 surface here. So I'm going to shade that in. And then we're going to see 2, 3 separate surfaces. So that surface is going to look like that. And then we're going to have that square surface that we'll see here. So again, I've separated out into the 3 different surfaces, and the edge lines indicate the distinction of those 3 surfaces. So for the other ones, what you're going to do is you're going to construct a Unifix cube object, and you're going to draw the 3D drawing on the dot paper, the isometric dot paper, and you're going to then come up with the 3 different views for that object. So left side, front, and top view, and you're going to do it for 2 of them. Okay, so there's a template for that. Make sure that you don't make your objects too complicated. Maybe make a simple one for example 1, and then for example 2, you're going to make maybe a little bit more complex 3D object, and then draw the 3-dimensional views, and then also the 3 views.